Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We had some Prince break quickly at the start. Mabsoy moving upon the outside. Now he's think twice. Kaiser's low turn in between horses. Market Value. King Bull comes next. Then followed by Yellow Citizen. Cafe Rodolfo. Then next on line is Chevron. Our headline chaser is the early trailer by about 12 lengths up the leader. Racing down the express. We have Kaiser's low turn takes command. Think twice. Mabsoy. King Bull now moving upon the outside. Then comes Handsome Rings. Next on line Market Value. Yellow Citizen. Cafe Rodolfo. Chevron. One headline chaser is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo race now getting more exciting. We have Kaiser's low. Think twice. King Bull is on the outside. Then comes Mabsoy. Next on line is Handsome Prince. Market Value. And they are now entering the home stretch. Kaiser's will turn this time by about 4 lengths. Think twice moving upon the outside. Now is a Mabsoy. King Bull with about 150 meters more to run. Kaiser's low turn followed now by Mabsoy. Kaiser's low turn. Mabsoy is on the outside, but it's still Kaiser's low turn as the curtain closer. Mabsoy, King Bull, Think Twice, Chevron, Yellow Citizen.
Okay, numero 9, Kaiser's Lawton. An official winner dito sa ating